In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the cookie consent banner in Hubspot. How to customize cookie consent banner in Hubspot. So in order to customize your cookie consent banner, you first need to make sure that you're logged in into your Hubspot. Once you're in there, just need to click onto this settings or gear icon. Now, this will show you all of the settings for your actual Hubspot. Under this case, just locate the Privacy and Consent option. Or, to make things easier, click onto this search bar and proceed to search right here for cookie. So here we have cookie policies and the likes. So you can head over and edit it, or you can also just set it up right here. Click onto the cookie policies. Then in here, you can actually add this tool. Just add in here an external domain. Add right here your domain as well. Once that's have been connected, click on this Create Consent banner. Input right here the name for that, the URL, the countries that it has, as well as the GPC for this. So for this, you can edit the banner text and configure it according to your liking. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.